Most businesses lose revenue simply because they get calls after hours. So I built a voice agent in Vapi that picks up the call, books appointments, and sends them a confirmation email. So let me show you a quick demo first.
Thank you for calling Aurora Aesthetics. I'm Amy. How may I help you?
So I would like to know how much would Botox cost with you?
Sure. The exact price depends on the assessment during your consultation. Could you please let me know which treatment you're interested in, or would you like a general consultation?
I would like a general consultation, but before that, I want to know what kind of injectables you provide.
Got it. For injectables, we offer treatments like Botox, dermal fillers, and PRP. If you have a specific concern, such as fine lines, volume loss, or skin rejuvenation, I can guide you further. Would you like to book a free consultation to discuss which injectable might be best for you? May I have your first and last name, and could you spell that for me, letter by letter?
So you said PRP, right? So what does PRP do?
Of course, PRP stands for platelet rich plasma. It uses your own blood process to concentrate platelets, which are then injected into areas like the face or scalp. PRP can help with skin rejuvenation, improving texture, reducing fine lines, and stimulating hair growth. Results depend on individual factors, and your provider will assess what's best for you during your consultation. Would you like to book a free consultation to discuss PRP or other injectables? May I have your first and last name, and could you spell that for me, letter by letter?
So I would like to have like a general consultation.
Great. A general consultation will help you explore all treatment options, including injectables. May I have your first and last name? Could you spell that for me, letter by letter? Thank you. So your first name is Pranadir, and your last name is Reddy. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Thank you, Pranadir Reddy. What treatment are you interested in, or would you like a general consultation?
like I said, it's general consultation.
Got it. Now let me check the nearest available times for you. We have two available slots for your free general consultation. One, Monday, March 23rd at 11 a.m. Two, Tuesday, March 24th at 4 p.m. Which time works best for you?
I want tomorrow 2 p.m. Can you check that?
Perfect. Just to con- just to confirm, you would like Monday, March 23rd at 2 p.m. for your consultation. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Great. To send your confirmation, could you spell your email address letter by letter?
it's BHAGAVATHREDDY@gmail.com.
Thank you for clarifying. So your email is BHAGAVATHREDDY at gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Great. I'm locking that appointment in now. All set. You're booked for your consultation. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. We look forward to seeing you at Aurora Aesthetics. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
that's it. Okay, now that the call has been finished, let me show you the workflow. So as you can see, it has been executed here as well. And I should have received a mail as well. As you can see, I got a mail with the date of when I have the consultation and what type of consultation I have. This can be customized for your business. So now let me explain to you how this whole thing works. So this is a Vapi using this is a tool which we can use to create voice agents. So here we need to give it a very detailed prompt about your agency or about any of your business. If you are a dental clinic, if you are a cosmetic industry, like in this example, or any of the industries where you get appointments through calls, we can automate that with this voice agent. Here we need to give it a very detailed prompt explaining about your business and what kind of talk it needs to have with the customer. So if I show you the whole prompt, here you can see that we have given it a role like Amy, the professional front desk receptionist for Aurora Aesthetics. Here we also told like answer questions about services, provide pricing estimate, book consultation appointment, check calendar availability, and all this. Here we have like interjection information dependency. Like let's say when it talks to the customer and customer interjects, we need to give it like how it needs to handle that interjection and all these necessary details it needs to come collect before booking appointment, like their name and their service interest. Here we give it like some syntaxes so that it gets like accurate uh, dates and times. If you don't give these syntaxes for date and time, your time zone, the year, and all this, it could defaults back to, it can go back to last year or it can go forward to next year. So it can hallucinate basically. So to avoid that from happening, we need to give it the time, we need to give it the year, so it matches with to the present timings. Then we need to give it some behaviorals rules like use short and natural sentences. So basically, we need to give it all the very detailed prompt about how it needs to behave, how it needs to handle the conversation with the customer, how it needs to, what kind of data it needs to collect, and all these things. And once we have that, it will take care of all the conversation. And as you have seen in the demo, it has booked the directly added the consultation in your calendar, right? So how that can happen is we have this tool section where we need to give it access to our calendar, so it can check for the availability. Using this tool, it will check for all the available timings, and then it will use this another tool to create this event in the tool, the event in your calendar. So we have given it these two Google Calendar tools basically, so that it has the ability to check for the available slots and also to create an event in the Google Sheets, the Google Calendar, sorry. Then this is the important part where we connect the Vapi to n8n. So the thing is, you will have some your own CRMs, right? So for us to connect that CRM and also to automate sending the email, we connect Vapi through to our n8n. If you go to advanced section, here we have messaging, right? Here we need to give it the webhook URL. So Vapi can send all the details over to that webhook. And here we need to give it a structured output so that Vapi only sends like the details which we need in, like important details. Like in this case, if you go to structure output, here you can see their name, their email, and the consultation type and the booking timings. It has, so it basically sends the structured data over to this webhook. Then we will connect it with the CRM. In this case, it's the Google Sheets. As you can see, it has logged their data, name, email, consultation type, and this data. Then we have this Gmail note so that it can also send the confirmation over to them using Gmail. As you have seen here, I got the mail with my name, the consultation type. I kept it basic because this is just a demo, right? So that's the whole workflow. So that's it for today, guys. And if you're a business owner or an agency owner and want systems like this built for your agency, reach out to me by filling out the form in my portfolio, which I have linked in my description. I'll reach out to you. Currently, I'm providing one free automation and free automation audit as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.